racing just started. We have Kaibigan. Break quickly at the start. Moving up now, Oriya outside is Blue Seal. In the middle portion comes Power of Grace. And Oriya outside is Real Thunder. Pegasus comes next. Conquista Royal. Darori inside is Royal Pair. Maximum Impact. Gobernadora. Alongside comes Survey. Racing second last is Euromax. And back to the leader, we have Blue Seal by about 3/4 length lead. Kaibigan in second, Pegasus moving up now. Oriya outside is Real Thunder. Royal Pair is Darore inside. Conquista Royal now moving up together with Grace. Then next online now is Maximum Impact. Alongside comes Gobernadora. Euromax comes next, Hard Power. While Survey is running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn, we have Blue Seal. This time by about 4 lengths. Moving up now to take second is Power of Grace. Royal Pair is Darore inside. Conquista Royal is down in fourth. Next online is Kaibigan. Real Thunder. Euromax now coming into the picture as they swing for home. We have Blue Seal this time, draws clear by about 6 lengths. And in second is Conquista Royal. Running by the rail comes Power of Grace. Moving up Euromax with about 50 meters. It's all entry number 9, Blue Seal. And finally it's Blue Seal. The second, Conquista Royal. Then comes number 7.
Kutob ko nga, tama ka ay kutob ko rin nga. Mukhang
medyo pinagpreba.
tinignan kung anong gagawin niya talaga.
Yes, 12.5, 25, 24, finishing at 27.5, 1.29.